all had a great New Year's. I can't believe I'm making this video on 2018. I feel like the years are going by so very fast. Like, what the hell? Can we just pause this for a minute? Let's just get into this video. So the first gift I'm going to be talking to you about is these hair extensions, you guys. I am in love with this. I gifted myself these beautiful hair extensions. These are synthetic hair wrap ponytails by Bellamy, and they are 100% high heat synthetic fibers, so I guess you can curl them and straighten them, I guess. I don't know. But I'm really excited for these. I really wanted to buy the wigs as well, but I was not too sure because they were quite expensive, so I wanted to first try them out with the ponytail extensions and then move on to the wigs. And I'm definitely going to buy a lot of Bellamy stuff very soon because they're so worth it. They're beautiful. So the next gift I bought is this Huda Beauty winter highlighter. Oh my god, you guys, I'm wearing that all over my face right now. I got this gift from my husband and I could not stop wearing it. I have made full use of it so far. I'm literally living for these shades. They are so beautiful. The first shade over here is more of a cream shade, and this is a very blue purplish highlighter, and this one over here is more of a pink one, and this, as you guys can see, is a gold one. And they are super pigmented, you guys. What the hell, Huda Beauty, you guys are bloody genius. That's all I can say. You guys are wow. So these are the 4 shades. This one is a cream one, so you guys can't really see much, but it's so beautiful and you can wear it just as it is. And the second one is a blue purple highlighter. It's so pigmented. It's like wow. The camera is literally not doing justice for this third one over here. It's such a pretty shade, very natural. It goes on beautifully on my skin. And the last one is also to die for. Look how beautifully pigmented it is. It's highly pigmented, you guys. These are the best highlighters I've ever used by far. I'm going to quickly rub that all over my hands because I don't want to waste these beauties ever. So the next gift I got is from my husband's sister. She gave me a couple of gifts. I'm so blessed. So the first gift she gave me was this one, Yankee candles. In this package you have like 6 different tiny candles that smells amazing. I'm not even joking. Yeah, so that was one of her gifts. And the second gift that she gave me is so useful, you guys, because I get so freaking cold over here and my hands just freeze to death even though I'm wearing gloves and stuff. So she gave me these pocket reusable hand warmers. So I already got one single hand warmers. The first year I came to France, I don't know why I didn't end up buying 2. It was really weird. It's such a strange thing. I only bought one of them. And she gifted me this one, which was like a perfect gift because now I have 2. So now I can sneak both of them into my gloves. So now both my hands will be warm. So these are battery operated. For those of you who have really cold hands, these come so much in handy. I literally live by them, I'm not even joking. The last thing she gave me is this cute little heart ceramic makeup holders that I'm living for. I love these stuff, they're so useful. And then I got this cute little handmade cotton pads. Like, they are reusable cotton pads, which is really adorable. This was given to me by Val's brother's wife. She's so talented, she stitches really nicely. I mean, look at this. It's so cute. I am living for it. I am literally living for it. I love these stuff. I don't want to ever use them because, you know, they're white and I don't want it to get dirty. Knowing me, I'll probably preserve these for the rest of my life. I love cute stuff like this. They are to die for. And they're so soft. And so look at these cute patterns on them. Oh my god, I'm so in love with them. I really am a big sucker for cute handmade stuff like these. I die. So this book was given to me by Val's brother himself. It's in French, so I guess you don't understand. So basically it just says like vegan cuisine in 15 minutes. So it's like this really fast, easy cooking book, which is like really useful because I don't like cooking. I want to be in the kitchen for the least amount of minute, make something super healthy and be done. The end. So this book is super handy for me. I'm guessing you guys will all want to know what my husband bought me. So I already showed you, he got me like a couple of things as well. So the first one was the Huda Beauty highlighter. And the next one is my MacBook Air. Like, oh my god, I so needed a laptop. My old laptop was literally dying and it was so hard for me to make any editing or like uploading a video. It just took me for years. So he bought me a brand new laptop, which I'm so blessed for. So now I can really upload fast, make my YouTube life a little more easier. So the next gift he bought me is the Beats pill. You guys, from the time he bought me this, I'm literally driving him up the wall because I cannot stop playing music. Like, I'm literally playing music 24/7 with this. So I used to always listen to music in my headphones. So now that he bought me this, I'm only listening music on this. We don't like to listen to the same music, so literally he's going crazy. So now there's only one last gift to show you guys, and that is my iPhone 10. So I gifted this to myself few days before Christmas. If you guys are following me on Instagram or Snapchat, you guys will probably know about this by now. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, you guys, because I post every single day of my life over there, so you guys will know literally everything that's happening in my life. All the links to my social media are down in the description box below if you guys want to know. To tell you a little bit about myself, I am a phone freak. I am literally a phone freak. I need to buy every phone that comes out, which is new. Okay, not every phone, not every phone, but iPhone or like Samsung. I don't care about cars, I don't care about laptops, I don't care about cameras, I don't care about televisions, I don't care about anything else but phones. Phones make me happy. I don't know why. Do you think that's weird? And this phone is like to die for, you guys. This is amazing. It's the best phone I've ever used in my life. Like the camera quality is, it's just what? So in the end of this video, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Why am I saying video so many times? Let me know what you guys got for Christmas on the comments down below. I would love to know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!